Oh, hey, hi there. Do you see something strange going on in here? I sure do, and I don't think Dale has anything to do with it this time. Stay with me here. Now, do you see it? I see it. You gotta see it. It's right in front of your eyes. Let me show you what it is. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell for future uploads. Ready? Let's go. Okay, have you noticed what it is yet? Because I have, and I'm going to show you now. It's these guys right here. These are the Lego bogies that the wheels fit in, and the wheels are on there. Do you notice it now? They are warped. They are mismolded. These ones are so warped that you cannot put the brick in between or the plate in between in order to join them together. You really have to spread them apart, and then you can't even get the plate down on the studs, and look what it does to the wheels. It really frigs them up. It bends them like crazy. And I'm also going to try putting a single plate on this. Now look, you can't even put a single plate on this. They won't even go on. It's mismolded so bad. Okay, and these two are the worst. The other two that were in the package for this car, these ones here, they're not quite right, but they do fit right now. So they're not proper. They're still mismolded. These ones are seriously mismolded because they are warped. And you can see, I don't know if you can see it, how you can see it, but let's see if we can get it right up close. How warped that they really are. And you can see that there's an injection point right there in the mold where they were made. Now I don't know if they were ejected from the mold too quickly and not cooled properly, or what the case may be, but as you can see, I'll try to put the two of them there. Put one way and one the other. They should line up so that they're straight. There should be no gaps between them. But obviously, you can see the gap between them there. You know, this is something I would expect from like a Chinese knockoff company. Certainly not from Lego, and certainly not with the Disney train set. Certainly not with the Disney train set. Now this is the third major big set that I have bought. Roller Coaster being one, Steamboat Willie being another, and this Disney train. Either have had the wrong parts, missing parts, or mismolded parts. Lego, your quality control. What is going on with it? Seriously. You cannot sell product like this. This is terrible. These are absolutely useless. Useless. They're good enough to be melted down, and that's it. You can't use them even for spare parts because they're no good for nothing. And the two that are on the train right now, well, they'll be coming off. I know I've gone online and reordered 4 new ones as replacements. Just because all these 4 are just totally mismolded, no good, just garbage. Has anybody else experienced this with any of the new train sets lately? Like I said, I would expect something like this with the mismolding and missing pieces and broken pieces or wrong pieces with other companies that are knockoffs, but from Lego themselves with $400 sets, this is unacceptable. So just putting it out there, just, you know, once again, just reiterating that, just putting that out there. And I'm only 2 cars into this right now. I haven't built the tender or the engine yet, or the station. However, when that gets done, if there's still parts missing, of course I will call for that. I always call for missing parts, wrong parts, or this is a first for me from Lego, mismolded parts. Hey, if you want to see more of my Lego theme park or do-it-yourself tips and tricks, check out my other videos.